Hi guys, my name is Heather. I'm a dental hygienist. And today I want to walk you through what a deep cleaning appointment looks like. And I'm here to tell you that it's not much different than a regular cleaning, for you at least. For us, we know what we got to do. We got to get underneath the gums. But for you, it's just going to feel like a cleaning, just it's going to take a little bit longer. So if you do need a deep cleaning, that means your gums are unhealthy. That means there's tartar underneath the gums. And we can't get to that during a regular prophy appointment because one, there's not enough time, and two, it's going to be very sensitive for you. So we bring you back for the deep cleaning, numb you up, you're completely comfortable for this appointment, and all you got to do is sit back, relax, have your mouth open. We'll go underneath the gums, pull out all that bacteria, and for you, you just, think of it like a regular cleaning. Don't, get yourself all worked up thinking that it's, much more intense than it has to be. You'll be completely numbed up. Some patients are a little bit sore after, and we recommend just taking what you normally do for a headache, and you'll be fine. To aid further in healing, do some warm salt water rinses. That'll aid in the healing. It's very soothing for the gums, will reduce inflammation. And then prior to your appointment, get your home care ready. Do water flossing, make sure that you have an electric toothbrush. Doing all of these tools gets your gums ready for that appointment. So then after, you have a seamless transition. You already got your home care in place, and then your gums will heal even faster. Doing a deep cleaning is completely necessary. There's bacteria that sits underneath the gums, and it could wreak havoc on your bone. It can eat away at your bone. So if your dentist and hygienist recommend a deep cleaning, definitely get it done. For you, just think of it like a regular cleaning. Just sit back, relax, let the hygienist do their job, and you'll be out in no time. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.